Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use advanced trade on Coinbase. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So you may ask, what is Coinbase or how to use Coinbase? So basically Coinbase is just a cryptocurrency wallet for your crypto to be stored into. So that's just a brief description of what Coinbase is. So that's just how you do it. So here we're gonna discuss how to advance trade, since maybe you're familiar already, since you're already in the topic of advanced trading in Coinbase. So unfortunately I cannot show you how it really works on the application itself, since it doesn't work in my country, and I'll just guide you through it guys step by step. So basically we head on to coinbase.com, where I already logged in, where you will find advanced trading. So if you're ready to do advanced trading, you can do simple tutorials here, or you can learn from here basically on what advanced trading is. So such key terms that you should learn is what is an order book. So right here you will see what is an order book. So this is part one of the advanced guide trading tools for your Coinbase. So the definition of order book is essentially it's a list of current buy orders, also known as bids, and sell orders, also known as ask. For specific asset, order books show not only the price buyers and sellers are willing to pay, but also how many discrete units, as in tokens, they seek to buy and sell at each price. And as you can see here, there's also a guide on what order book is. So for every cryptocurrency available on Coinbase and every financial instrument available like Nasdaq, there's an order book. Because Coinbase is a big exchange with a lot of customers, there can be billions of people looking to buy or sell at any given time at point. So looking at those order books from cryptocurrencies you're interested is in one of the best ways to get a sense of the real-time fluctuations in supply and demand. An order essentially is a list of current buy orders, like I said a while ago, also known as bids, and sell orders, also known as ask. So for buy orders it's bids, and while for sell orders it's asks. So as you can see here, Coinbase is rolling out a suite of advanced trading tools. So in this series we're going to break down some of the functions and terminologies you'll encounter. Much of this information isn't specific to Coinbase or even crypto, making it useful to learn if you have any interest in the markets of trading and whatsoever. So this does not only apply to crypto, it applies more onto trading itself in general. So there's also a video series that covers this material in more detail. You can press the link if you want to. Just head on to their website, coinbase.com, and just find for advanced trading tools. So most order books are divided into halves on the screen. In advanced trading view on coinbase.com, the order book is separated vertically, in which the ask being scrolling towards the middle. On the Coinbase, it's separated vertically with the ask in red, and on the top is the bids in green on the bottom. As you can see right there guys, those are the asks and bids. As you can see, the green ones is that bids, and this is the ask right here. So here there's buy orders, they're represented by the green numbers as I just said. Sell orders, which are the red ones, which are moving from the bottom. These are people trying to sell. So here there's also the number in the middle is called the spread. It's the difference between the highest bid and the lowest ask. So it's just like the difference of the two between them. And the price chart displays the recent prices, which is customizable to a time frame between 1 minute and 1 day, depending on your preferences. So the depth chart is a visual representation of the order book. It depicts the number of orders over the range of prices. That's it. So the next is stop limit. We have a different video for that. You want to visit that guys. We have a complete different tutorial for how to trade with stop limits, so please visit that. So I'll just skip that for now, and you can head on to that video where you can check it out. So here's another advanced guide on how to read advanced charts. So to read financial charts in this part 3 of their guide, in advanced trading tools, the first 2 chapters of the series they walk through is the order book and the order types. Now you have to understand the basic mechanics of Coinbase advanced trading tools charts, since you'll have to access to which offer a wealth of data and historical information you can use to make a better informed trading decision. So how to read candlesticks. So candlesticks are those that you saw a while ago in the red and green, which it represents a candlestick, which represents the ask and buys or the chart. So they're gonna take you back to a step run and a quick primer on reading candlestick charts, which are probably the most common type of financial charts you will encounter whether you're trading crypto, stocks, commodities, and other asset classes. Here's an example of Bitcoin to US dollar candlestick chart from the Coinbase advanced trading interface. As you can see here, those are candlesticks right there. There's different types of candlesticks and they're going to discuss it to you in their tutorial. So candlesticks give you an instant snapshot of whether market's price movement was positive or negative, and it will impact to what degree, and the time frame represented in the candlestick chart can be selected by the user, ranging from 1 minute to 1 day. And it's also worth noting, unlike stock market, crypto markets never close, so the open and close prices are the prices at the beginning and the end of the selected time frame. So as you can see here, that there's a guide here. So the highest price reach is the close right here. The lowest price reach is open for the buy, and for the bid and for the buying, the open is in the highest and the close is in the lowest price reach. So like formula line and bar graph, candlestick charts show the time across the horizontal axis and the price data on the vertical axis. But unlike simpler graphs, candlesticks have more information in one glance, so it's very simple to look at it and you'll understand it in a brief second. So as well as opening and its closing prices, here's a simplified example to help you see how they work. So each candlestick is made up of a body and a wick, like a candle. So this is the body right here. There, that's the body, and the wick is the thin part of the candlestick right there. So where are we? So the lines stretching from the top to the bottom are the wicks, and these represent the highest and lowest prices the asset hit during the trading frame. Now you understand the candlesticks, we can dive into some more complex data type of visuals that are useful if you're interested in trading strategy called technical analysis. So right here, the next one is technical analysis. As you can see, the definition of technical analysis is it looks at patterns in data market to identify trends and predict how markets might move in the future. And fundamental analysis is a big picture approach that examines financial, user, community, and for future real-world utility. So these are just a lot of methods you can use to research an asset you're interested in trading. So let's say you want to invest in Bitcoin, you must use this technical analysis and the fundamental analysis for learning how to trade with it and how to monitor it. So technical analysis focuses on the asset's historical market and performance by examining price over time and trading volume over time. So you're looking at its past to predict its future, basically. If it's rising or falling, are people putting money in or taking it out? It is traded widely and in large quantities. Those are the kinds of questions that a technical analysis asks. Fundamental analysis, on the other hand, involves looking at the asset's fundamentals. It's more of a big picture approach. If it incorporates information like cryptocurrency financials, user community, and potential real-world applications. So you're looking at impacts on the real world where it might affect the cryptocurrency that you're trying to invest on. So both are valuable ways of understanding an investment, basically from stocks and bonds to, of course, cryptocurrency, and they can help you build a trading strategy and identify when you want to buy or sell a particular asset. So basically, that's how you use advanced trade on Coinbase. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.